August 18, 2022. Storms and downpours in Europe result in multiple fatalities. After a summer of harsh weather, Western European nations have just been hit by powerful storms, but their neighbors in Central and Eastern Europe are still experiencing catastrophic heat waves and drought. Intense thunderstorms and hurricane-force winds are sweeping through Europe after a season of drought, heat waves, and wildfires, and they caused at least a dozen fatalities on Thursday. On Thursday afternoon, strong winds raced through Slovenia, tearing off roofs and crashing trees and other items in several areas of the nation. In Ljubljana, many people suffered minor injuries. At least 8 people were killed by strong thunderstorms in France and Italy, which also toppled trees in Tuscany and on the French island of Corsica and tore pieces of brick off Venice's renowned St. Mark's Bell Tower. In the Mediterranean Sea, more than 100 boats requested urgent assistance. In certain places, the storm caused wind gusts of more than 220 km per hour, 136 miles per hour, according to the French National Weather Service Météo France. Six people were killed in Corsica, where almost 45,000 homes were without electricity. On Thursday, 2 persons perished in separate events in Tuscany as trees were uprooted by storms close to the cities of Lucca and Carrara. Four more persons were hurt at a campground close to Carrara by falling trees. In the coastal village of Saguan in Corsica, a tree toppled into a campsite, killing a 13-year-old girl. High winds in Venice caused bricks from the bell tower that stands in front of the famous church to be broken off. The structure was sealed off, and tourists were removed. The storm carried away beach chairs on the neighboring Lido and toppled chairs and tables in St. Mark's Square and other locations. A railroad line southeast of Genoa in northern Italy was forced to close due to an overnight storm when strong winds blew beach buildings onto the tracks and harmed the electrical circuits.
Qua è volato via anche qua. Anche la gabbia.
The storm occurred during the busiest week for beach vacations in Italy. According to Austrian authorities, the Alpine nation's severe storms have claimed the lives of 5 individuals, including 2 children. Late on Thursday at a lake in the Levant Valley close to the southern city of Graz, 2 girls, aged 4 and 8, were murdered when suddenly high winds toppled trees. "13 individuals were hurt, 2 of them seriously, according to officials. Three women were killed in Lower Austria when a tree near the capital city of gaming collapsed as a result of lightning striking it.